Welcome back, people. Carl's mowing. I've got a bit of a big job here. I've made a few videos already, and some of the people out there would have seen these. But what I've done here is, because I've done this over separate days, I've done the filming as well on separate days. So I've brought it all together, and what it is a property that needed a bit of a trim back. It's a little bit long, as you can see, but the story is, in February in Auckland we had a big flood, and this property here got flooded completely out, and the occupants have left, and no maintenance was done on the yard. I drove past, I seen it. I decided to bring it back to scratch. So that's the story about how I done this job. So let's go and have a look. So this is out the front, the burn. And what I've done, I've joined the videos together. I don't know how it's going to look. I reckon it looks okay, so just persevere. This is the first burn that I'm doing out the front, so I'm just doing some edging and that, and it will be the same with the other side of the burn, because I only do half the burn at one time. I'm doing this in my spare time because I've got regular customers and services to do. So I visited this property, I reckon 4, maybe 5 times, which is okay. If I didn't have time, I wouldn't be doing it. So I'll just finish off here on this burn, or this half of the burn, and then I'll head down to the other half in a few moments. A few bottles, there was 3 of them actually, and I hit one of them. That was all the obstacles I found actually in this whole job, was the 3 bottles, which was pretty good actually. I was expecting a lot more. And this is the other side, or the other half of the burn. So just running the edge down, and then I'll come back with the spade. The reason I've done this video, this full video, is just to show you people, when we find a property that needs a bit of attention, it takes a while. although you see it in the video in a 10-15 minutes, it takes quite a few hours. Well, for me it does. I don't know about the other blokes out there, but I get enjoyment out of it. So what I have to do here is just mow this berm, rest of this berm, and then I'll be on to the pathway. Now I've gone inside the property to do this pathway. First off, there's a garden bed here, small one. I'll just clean that out. As I said, you need to take your time. There's a bit of electrical in there, bit of chorus, the cable for the internet. It's pretty small. Garden bed, didn't take too long. Then after the garden bed, I'll head on down to do the pathway, which is here, and it's fairly overgrown. I reckon it was about 30 metres long, the walkway or pathway, running down here with the whacker, trying to find the edge of the concrete. Was a little bit difficult finding the edge because there was a lot of mud on the pathway that had built up through the years, and that's what normally happens on overgrown edges, that you get a very muddy build up, and it can be quite thick at times. As you've seen in the beginning of the video, how much overgrown edging there is. And this is what I mean, going down here, the mud, the machine, the edger was struggling a bit because it was muddy. Wasn't an easy job, but it comes up all right. There you go, a bit more of the mud that is actually on the concrete pathway. So just scrape that off. Looks like I've finished here, got the blower on it. Going to just shoot around the corner here. Now, this part here is the full front yard. There's two sides to it because the pathway separates them. So this was the more of the easier side. The kikuyu grass wasn't as thick as the other side, which you'll see when I hop over the pathway. This was pretty easy actually. It was tall, but it wasn't thick. Not like the other side. So this is the other side. It's nearly coming to an end, the video. There's a few after shots, the before and after. So if you hang around to the end, you'll see the before and afters. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I know some people out there would have seen some of the other videos, but they wouldn't have seen it complete as the one property. Okay then, I'll catch you people later. Everybody take care, and to all you people who have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. Bye.
It's no longer the same. 'Cause it's full apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get up
That's it people, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, maybe hit the like and subscribe. That just gives me an indication that people out there enjoy these kind of videos, but also it helps grow my channel. Okay then, I'll see everybody at the next one. Take care.